Hello everybody, Mike here. So we have the multicolored string lights by Govee. Gonna take these out, check them out. All right, so we have them out of the box. They're plugged in, default to the white. So go ahead and connect this to the Bluetooth. Go to the app, make sure it's turned on. All right, open up the Govee app and click the plus sign. And then you can type in LED bulb and a strip. Then you can find your model. This will be on the box. So once you find the model, you can click to add. So there's the model number. So you click that to connect and it starts connecting to the lights. And then once it's connected, you can go ahead and name the light. You'll see it's added to Alexa. And you can connect to your Wi-Fi. You put in your Wi-Fi password. So be voice enabled, or you can do it through your app, or they do have a little button on there. Once you're connected, it walks you through a little guide. Go through that quickly. It's pretty simple. Then now you can select the color of the light because it's connected. So select blue. There it is. Blue, straight color blue. You can go into scenes. So it has kind of like dance. You can play music with it. That's one of them. You can do one more. You can try the candy. One very bright, very festive. So these come in handy. We're going to put it in our lanai, but you can use this for Christmas. Very nice. Govee's very popular when it comes to lighting. So there's a look. So I'm going to go ahead and hang these. As you can see, so we have them hung. I did buy the hooks on Amazon. The tape that came with the hooks really wasn't strong enough. So luckily I had bought separate double-sided tape that I used. It was clear. So it really came in handy with hanging these lights. As you can see, you can't even really see the tape. Got the hook there. And these are for outdoors. So overall, a very nice